Well, what I really want to talk about on this video is my opinion when it comes to joining a business. And if you're a veteran and you've made $500 billion, that's awesome. But 99.999% of people that are watching my videos or are interested in joining Save Club, they're not in the billionaire club. Now, if you are, that's awesome. Maybe my whole group, we're all going to join and we're going to have like a barbecue at your house and you're paying for everything, including the drinks and the chicken. We'll bring the barbecue sauce. But other than that, if you're a billionaire, we're definitely, I don't care if I have 1,000 people in my downline, we're coming to your house. That's it. And we're going to sleep over too and watch movies like Grease. But other than that, category of billionaire, I don't think most of us have billions, if not millions. And one way to become a millionaire, and this is advice from many friends, and I'm almost 60. You know, I grew up, I was born in the 60s. I graduated in the 80s, and I've had about a 45 year, and I've never not had a job actually. I've met a lot of nice people because my background is radio. I've been in FM radio on and off 35 years. I've owned 4 nightclubs. I'm even remodeling one right now that's a gentleman's club. And wait till you see in a couple months when we're done. But by just being social, keeping things simple and fun and uplifting, I think it's a good thing. And if you're right now watching my video and you're new to this, I think you should join my team because you're going to find other people, talk about good experiences, have a good time, and learn along the way. Please don't think you're going to learn everything in a week. But the nice thing with my group, we can give you video. All right. We can give you nice banners and pictures that you can use, let's say for TikTok. A lot of people just like TikTok. It's a little faster pace. You just throw some videos up and hopefully a link to your Save Club link where people can join as a member or an affiliate, or sometimes Instagram where it's more picture based. I notice when I go to Instagram, the pictures are kind of cool, more artistic, and TikTok could be about comedy and all that. I'm not really a TikTok Instagrammer, but with all the content that my team and Save Club provides us, I just upload it real quick and make sure that my video link is there. Now, I'm a Facebook guy. Some of my younger friends that are teeny boppers up to like 20s or 30s, they're like, oh, Facebook is for you older folks. Granted, it's about 25 years old. Didn't Facebook come around like 2005? But yeah, call me a little long in the tooth. I got a Santa beard. But Facebook still has billions and billions of people. And I love Facebook. I post my content like this video there. And I just have a little bit of something about Save Club and say, hey, click here. You want more information? Check it out. Watch this video. Because the way that I promote and the way that I'm successful is by inviting you to click a link to a video. Now, I have 2 ways that I recruit. I go fishing with 2 poles where most people in Save Club, they only go one way. And that is straight to the lake with 1 fishing pole. Now, let me show you what I mean. With I Love Save Club, when you go there, you're going to see just the normal, and it's not normal. It is amazing. It shot me 7th in the world. So don't think the left I Love Save Club is any different than Save Club Funnel. It's just 2 different ways where the one on the left is a little shorter video. It explains opportunity in 6 minutes by our founder, Charles. And the one on the right, Save Club Funnels, it's a funnel system that kind of takes you by the hand and it explains Save Club in more detail. And it's a 20-minute video where it will show your cell phone and how you can go to a restaurant and just get the deal on your screen and save 10% off your whole bill. You know, if your bill's $100 for your family, why not save 10? That's just one dining experience or lunch or breakfast. And then on top of that, the compensation plan. Because people want to know, hey, Cory, how do you make money as an affiliate? Well, the easy thing is just hit the pay plan link and you can just read about it. And we're making some really nice compensation YouTube videos about the opportunity. But right now, we already have the first funnel in Save Club, and it explains everything in greater detail to where you or someone that you invite to the funnel, they'll have their questions, I think, satisfied. They'll be answered to where you go, yay or nay, I want to be a member, but I think I want to do the $60 where I can be an affiliate. And then they're like, okay, then what's the comp plan? Okay, it's worth my while. have some fun, get maybe a custom domain name. It looks like Cory went to GoDaddy for $12 and bought ilovesaveclub.com. And then I forward it to a link you get if you join just Save Club or my funnel system. And like I said, when I go fishing, I have 2 fishing poles. One's on the left of your screen and one's on the right. Does it work? You know, it sure seems to. Okay, I've already had 3 people this morning sign up. And let me see if I can back up and go into my Save Club back office. Hold on, guys. Let me see if I go one more back. I can't find, I have so many screens open. Okay, there we go. Wednesday, May 28th. And right now it's going on about noon, and I've already had 6 people. They were kind enough to just pre-enroll, just get some more information about this great opportunity. And I've already had 3 people say, screw it. I'm just going to go ahead and rock and roll. The last couple of days, it's been Memorial Day. I've had to produce some car shows. I have a beautiful car show this afternoon with a good friend, Kimber. She just saved her money, and she now has ownership in a brand new sports bar called The Pub. And we're going to go there and just be outside, celebrate our freedom and just the beauty of muscle cars and hot rods and trucks. And I'm going to look at some pretty girls walking around, serving us some drinks and tacos. But boy, oh boy, people somehow figure out how to make a living to where they have more than their rent, more than their mortgage, or what it costs to produce kids called humans, little babies. They go to college. Or maybe yourself, you're just a shopaholic. You can't wait to have shoes, or maybe you want one of those cool cars at the show. But you got to figure out a way to make more than what it takes to break even. And I know you can do this. Okay, have faith in yourself. You can do this. All right, join my team. Let's get you in my 2 Facebook invite-only groups. That way you can meet some fine folks, ask questions. We're going to get you marketing material where we can help you with video. Let's help you with some banners. All right, let's do it. You can do this. And I want you to have a whole bunch of people come in and get cozy, get yourself a drink in the morning, like coffee maybe, or a ice cold beverage in the afternoon. And let's just learn what's best for you. I love YouTube videos. And then what I do is I post links to this video you're watching right now on Instagram, TikTok, all those other social media platforms. I don't even do anything funny. I just say, hey, Save Club, check it out. Okay, here's my link. But it seems to work. Whatever I'm doing seems to work. And if you guys want to copy what I'm doing, I sure hope you'd like to. Right now, it looks like, I'm number 7. And there's some other great folks here. Look, from the UK, Angela. There's my buddy Eric. There's Ed over in Japan. He's a sweet guy. I don't even know some of the flags, like that one. I don't even know what flag that is, but I know Canada, the maple leaf. But look I don't even know what flags these are. So what, Denmark, Poland. I do know Australia. Is that one there? Is that Sweden? I know the one with the Swiss. But yeah, this is a worldwide thing. All right, a worldwide company. But if you live in a tiny little country, I don't care where you live, as long as you have internet access. And if you're watching my video, that means somehow you have a cell phone or a home computer or a laptop. You can do this, and you don't have to just focus on the membership side. If Save Club has deals this early in your region, great. But why not just be an affiliate now, lock in for that $60, and let's just get you recruiting and getting people signed up worldwide. And maybe you can get that more than thing coming in. You can get that muscle car, maybe just a nice bicycle, or you just want to save up $3,000 and go on a cruise and work on your tan and just drink some drinks and meet some cool folks cruising on those big ships. Or you just want to fix your tooth, or maybe your eyeball fell out, or I don't know, maybe you don't like your ear and you want to buy another one. I don't like this ear. I'm just going to go get another one. Go to Ears R Us. It might be in the back office of Save Club. Maybe you can save some money, but I want you to join my team, and I want you to do it now, because no one knows about Save Club except for us that have been searching on YouTube, and we just see each other's posts. But other than that, nobody knows about Save Club yet. We haven't even officially launched until June 1st, and that's a few days away. So I want you to join now, especially as an affiliate. I would love for you to make more than it takes to break even, and then go ahead and save on any deals that might be in the back office. That's just icing on the cake. That's 5 cherries on top. But if you want to go fishing with 2 poles, please look at that left side of the screen, ilovesaveclub.com. And if you go to Save Club Funnels, it does the same thing. It goes right to where you join. Save Club, affiliate, you got it, man. Be an affiliate for 60 plus that $19.97. So for $79.97, climb aboard. And this funnel system that'll take you by the hand and, in my opinion, do a better job. No offense to anyone else's techniques, but my results is just simply online. All right. Somehow I've been able to shoot to the top 7, and I'm very happy about that. And a lot of it has to do with my SaveClubFunnels.com system. Okay. And it's only $25. If you don't like it, that's it. There's no contracts. You got $25, use it. Okay. So, all right, guys, I'm over 10 minutes. Thanks for your time as usual. If you need something, Cory at CoryDraper.com, go ahead and just pause and go 15 seconds back. You can see on my business cards, I always put my Cory at CoryDraper.com. And if I'm on Facebook, inbox me there too. I can answer back a lot faster on my keyboard, because if your question's already asked by a bunch of other people, I've already made a video. So I'm just going to send you a video explaining what you might need help with, okay? That's it. All right, I'm 11 minutes and 15 seconds into this video, so you guys have a good one. I'm off to a car show and work on my tan and have me a nice cold drink. It's almost 90-something degrees here in Utah today, so you guys take care, okay? And we'll see you soon. All right, bye.